Maureen, don't snitch on me, okay? Whatever I say today stays in this room.
My warmest greetings to everyone attending.
You tend to lose yourself trying to get out of that box because you do like that aspect of yourself. You chose that for yourself.
So we don't need a separate program, we just need to make sure the programs we have are equitable and fair.
Diversity celebrated on paper but not practiced in power.
We went through a process, it was a fair and equitable process, these were the best candidates. You shouldn't feel anything about it.
Challenge our own ideals, our own values.
How do we empower Muslim women through AI? Where do we want to make sure that there are always places where humans are in control of that?
When we think about leadership behavior, it really predicts how people feel included. In reality, employees experience inclusion from their managers.
Even more, we have to fight for deinstitutionalization, to live in the community. Forget about working, just to live in the community. I never found that sense of belonging in work, so I carved out my own spaces where I could belong and have impact.